parlerait d'une autre solution.
We have the academic community, which is the one we started with, partly because we were a researcher, I am a researcher, and it was easy to reach out to my network. The academic community is early adopters, and they love new things. So they're great to develop a portfolio of products, develop new products. It's painful at some point because they always want something different, because they want to go further than their last publication, they want to go further than their colleagues. And so they ask things that are not there. It's very intellectually interesting, but business-wise, you know, you like to repeat things. So, but it was a good way to start.
Most of the time with industrial partners, we say, okay, let's sign for an exclusive use of this system. That's how things are working. For academia, it's more like, they don't want exclusivity. They don't really care about being the only one in the world using this. What they want is to have the first paper published with your technique.
How you doing? What's up? Good to see you again. So, yeah.
We needed something that had never been invented before, and they were basically willing to invent what we wanted. I was surprised when I talked to Sébastien that Photon would actually make something exactly to my design requirements. These design requirements had never been made before. They were completely new. This is the first near-infrared hyperspectral microscope that has ever been made that works in these wavelength ranges. We benefit from having a new instrument that really can do things that no other microscopes have been able to do. And now actually almost it's completely booked in our lab that when I look at our calendar of the usage of the microscope, it's used every day of the week. Our lab really loves it, and everybody wants to use it all the time.